Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken on your phone. Many fighting game fans dream of taking their favorite titles on the go, and with modern technology, this is now entirely possible. We will explore two primary methods, using emulators and leveraging cloud gaming services. Each approach offers unique advantages, allowing you to enjoy the intense battles of Tekken wherever you are. Get ready to learn how to bring the arcade experience to your pocket. Emulators are fantastic tools that mimic a console's hardware, letting you run games like Tekken directly on your phone. First, you'll need to download a reliable emulator application, often available for free. Next, legally obtain the game's ROM file. Remember, owning the original game is crucial for legal ROM acquisition. After installation, fine-tune the emulator settings for smooth gameplay. For the best experience, connect a Bluetooth controller. It makes executing those complex combos much easier. Cloud gaming offers another excellent way to play Tekken without needing powerful phone hardware. Services stream the game directly to your device, much like watching a video. You'll need to subscribe to a service that includes Tekken in its library and then install their dedicated mobile app. A crucial element is a very fast and stable internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or higher, to minimize lag. Again, a good game controller is highly recommended for competitive play. To truly maximize your mobile Tekken experience, consider a few key optimizations. A dedicated gaming controller is almost essential for precise inputs and comfortable long play sessions. Always connect to a strong, stable Wi-Fi network to reduce any potential latency or input lag, which can be critical in fighting games. Furthermore, close any unnecessary background applications to free up your phone's processing power. Finally, experiment with in-game graphics settings to find the perfect balance between visual quality and smooth performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.